Hi friends, this is Aruna. I am doing Python full stack batch in Aruna Tech House. Now I am explaining about one Python question, that is write a program to fetch all words which starts with vowels. So my given string is Python is simple and easy language. For this one, first of all we have to split it by using split function. So st dot split wherever space is there. Assign to one variable st1. So it displays like in list format like this. Python is simple and easy language. Displays like in list format. Now the question is what? Which starts with vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. Capital A, E, I, O, U. Assigned to one variable B. Let's take one empty list. LST equal to one empty list. Next, for I in ST1. Now the condition is what? Which starts with vowels, right? Condition is if starts with means I of 0. In vowels, vowels means we assign V, right? V. Then if condition is true, then append LST dot append of what? I. Then print of LST. Now I am doing debugging. First of all, I value means Python. If I of 0 means P. P in V, it is true or false? False. So here no appending, empty list. Next time I value is I of 0. 0 means I. I in V, it is true or false? It is true. So is appending. What is the next time I value? Simple. I of 0 means yes. Yes in V, it is true or false? False. So here no appending is there. Existing one is. Next time I value and. I of 0. 0 means A. A in V, it is true or false? True. So is appending. Sorry, end is appending. Before one is there. Now end is appending. What is the next time I value? Easy. I of 0 means E. E in V, it is true or false? True. So easy is appending. Before is there and now end is there. Now is appending. What is the next time I value? Language. I of 0 means L. L in V, it is true or false? False. So here no appending. Before what is there? Is and easy is there. So after if condition, for loop is over. Outside of the for loop, print function is there. Print of LST means last one is what? Is and easy. These three are appending. So the given string contains starts with vowels means is and easy. Thank you.